right, I'm gonna head over to the pool gear. Now what we're gonna do is backwash. The heater is off right now because the temperature is warm in the pool. Salt machine is running, that's over there. Now we're gonna do a backwash. That's pretty simple. So you'll notice on the backwash, right, I'll get you down here close. There's a little sight glass right here that you're going to be looking at. All right, and right now I'm in filter mode. So I'm going to put myself in backwash mode. I'm going to shut the pump off. The pump is off. Now I'm going to switch over to backwash mode right here. Where are we? That's backwash mode. Now I'm going to put the pump on, and you're going to see a lot of debris come in this glass as it's cleaning itself out. And I'm going to let this run for 30 seconds. Here we go. Watch this glass right here. It's going to get foggy. See it? That's the dirt coming out of the sand in the sand filter. We're going to wait for that to clean up a little bit, clear up. And then we're going to put it on rinse for another 30 seconds. It's already clearing up. Now that's dumping right to waste. I'm going to put it on rinse. Putting this baby on rinse. We're going to let it run for another 30 seconds and put it back on filter after that. That's stirring all the sand up in the filter and settling it back down after the backwash. You can see our water is now clear right here. And that's pretty good. That's nice and clean. Now put it back on filter mode, and then we're going to be all good to go. Where was filter? Right up here, that's filter. So now we're good to go, back in normal operation. And of course, you're not going to see anything running now. It's just the pump kicking on in high speed. I'll show you something interesting. When the people put the pool in that we bought the house from, you notice I didn't have a line going to waste, right? I'm going to show you what happens. It's pretty cool. There's a 4-inch pipe that runs around the whole property, okay? All around the back here. And I'll show you what happens. We'll go take a look in the driveway. And you can see the driveway is all wet. Now there's a discharge pipe right there above the top of those flowers. And that pumps all the dirty water out from the backwash down the driveway. And there it goes bye-bye. And that's how it works here. That's pretty cool, right? I think so. So that's a little water testing. A little unboxing, showing you that new product, showing you how I backwash the pool, and now we're on a refill cycle. Which again, I'm going to show you something that's interesting, right? That's what I do. So you'll see I don't have a hose running into the pool. Right, no hose. But rather, I'm going to point to this. Right here. Right, I can't really see. Right about here, you'll see a braided line coming down. Okay? That goes underground. Okay? That goes underground. We're going to come over here. Okay? That goes underground. And that's how we fill the pool up, see? Right underneath everything. Now that's going back into the pool. So that's it. Well, thanks for watching. If you have a pool, I hope you're going to enjoy the heck out of it today. Take care.